Friends, today let's understand a term that we hear all the time, but many people don't fully understand: cloud computing. Now, when people hear the word cloud, they often imagine their data floating somewhere in the sky. But that's not what cloud computing means. Let me explain with a simple example. Imagine you own a small business and need a warehouse to store your goods. You have two options. The first option is to buy land, construct a warehouse, hire security, maintain the building, and pay all the expenses yourself. The second option is to rent space in a huge warehouse that is already built and maintained by someone else. You simply pay for the space you use. Most people would choose the second option because it's cheaper, easier, and more flexible. Cloud computing works in exactly the same way. Traditionally, companies had to buy expensive computers and servers, keep them in their office, maintain them, and upgrade them regularly. With cloud computing, they simply rent computing power, storage, and software from companies that operate massive data centers. For example, when you save photos on Google Photos, watch movies on Netflix, or store files on Google Drive, your data is not stored on your phone alone. It is stored in powerful computers located in large data centers around the world. Those data centers are what we commonly call the cloud. The biggest advantage is that you don't need to own the infrastructure. You use what you need and pay only for what you use. Think of it this way. Years ago, people generated their own electricity using generators. Today, they simply use electricity from the power grid. Similarly, instead of owning powerful computers, businesses now use computing power from the cloud whenever they need it. So, in one simple sentence, cloud computing means renting computing resources over the internet instead of buying and maintaining your own computers and servers. And that's why today, from startups to the world's biggest companies, almost everyone is using the cloud. I hope cloud computing is now much clearer than before. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.